Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel FL Institute. This is me, your instructor Sunny, with one of the essential topic which is all about the history of Imran Khan. But before moving toward the history, I would like to start my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family members. So, the topic which I'm going to explain today, that is all about history of Imran Khan. So let's step ahead toward the history. So Imran Khan is a Pakistani politician and a former cricketer who served as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan when he was ousted through no confidence motion. Talking about his life, Imran Khan full name is Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi, who was born on 5 October 1952 in Pakistan city Lahore. Imran Khan is belong from a Pashtun family. Khan father's name is Ikramullah Niazi and mother's name Shaukat Khanum. Imran Khan has 4 sisters and has no brother. He get married with Jemima Goldsmith in 16 of May in 1995. Khan founded Cancer Hospital in Lahore in Peshawar and Namal College in Mewali. Khan founded Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital because his mother passed away due to the cancer. So that's the main reason that Khan decided to found Cancer Hospital in Lahore. Now talking about Imran Khan education, Imran Khan was educated at elite schools in Pakistan and in the United Kingdom, England, including the Royal Grammar School in Worcester and Aitchison College in Lahore. Imran Khan continued playing while studying philosophy, politics and economics at the University of Oxford. Talking about his cricket, when he began the international cricket career at the age of 18. In 1971 Test series against England, Khan played until 1992. He served as a team's captain between 1982 and 1992. Imran Khan won the 1992 Cricket World Cup, which was a best achievement for Pakistan. Now talking about entry in politics, that how Imran Khan came to the politics. So after his retirement from cricket, Khan joined politics. Khan became an outspoken critic of government mismanagement and corruption in Pakistan. He founded his own political party called Pakistan Tehreek Insaaf, Pakistan Justice Movement. PTI won a seat in National Assembly in 2002. Khan served as an opposition member from Mewali until 2007. PTI boycotted the 2008 election, but in the subsequent election, PTI became the second largest party by popular votes. So the last one is achievements in first 10 months when Imran Khan became the Prime Minister of Pakistan. So the first achievement is relationship with UAE and Saudi Arabia improved. When Imran Khan became the Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2018, he improved the relation with UAE and Saudi Arabia. The second one is clean and green plantation drive. The third one is Mumand Dam inauguration. He inaugurated the Mumand Dam. The fourth one is promotion of tourism. When Imran Khan became the Prime Minister of Pakistan, he promoted the tourism in Pakistan. The fifth one is health cards. When he became the Prime Minister of Pakistan, he announced the health cards for poor people, through which poor people can admit themselves for treatment without money. The sixth one is shelter and food to homeless and poor peoples. So I hope you have gotten the history of Imran Khan from the bottom to the top. So this is all for today. If you have any question related to this topic or another topic, so you can just comment me in the comment box. So in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family members. So this is all for today, and thanks for being a part of this class. Allah Hafiz.